today, this 3 days class, they're gonna learn how to using the same old products they use every day, and then how to create new different things and unique, and look at the same old products or they're using for every day, and how can they make unique with the same kind of products and reborn themselves.
It's out of this world.
Learning different techniques, different styles, things that we can incorporate to our everyday business.
So far I've learned a lot. It's very trendy and new, and I've been in the business a long time, so I'm kind of stale, and this is kind of giving me a fresh perspective on things.
It's gave me a new perspective on just my entire design and what I can do to offer my customers the best design I can give them.
Thank you for tuning in to Floriology's YouTube channel. If you liked the video you just watched, please give it a thumbs up.
And for more information on Floriology, log on to www.floriologyinstitute.com. And if you want to subscribe, click the button.